Okay, you guys, so I took out my mini but mighty heat presser, and I'm going to show you exactly. It's really easy to use. One of my favorite machines. I have it on my Amazon storefront. I'm just going to connect it. And we're going to make it some bags. So all you do is press here. You put it down and you wait till it beeps. Once it beeps, it's going to be on green. It means it's ready for you to use. I'm going to take out my bags that I'll be using. Okay. I'm going to make 2 bags. And I'm trying to see if I could find my mat, because you need a mat when you're gonna make bags. You need a mat. So let me see if I can find that. While that gets hot. You guys are not gonna believe this. I don't know where I left my mat. So I'm gonna have to, I wanted you to guys hear when it beeps really quick though, because that way you know how to work it. So you guys hear that while I look for my mat. Oh, I'm so mad, I don't know where it's at. But I need it. Come on. So once it beeps, it should be ready, and then I'll go that way. I'm gonna go ahead and use my parchment paper. So the parchment paper is just gonna go inside the bags. Can you guys see it? Where I'm gonna press it. So it's not gonna go everywhere. All you're gonna do, you heard that beep? That means it is ready for you to use. It's gonna go on the side that you are gonna press it. So let's say I'm pressing on this side. I'm going to use my parchment paper, which I inked already. And let me go get my mat. You guys are not going to believe this, but I cannot find the mat. So what I am going to use is I'm going to use a bath towel. Because I don't want to burn the bottom of my... So let's use this for now until I figure out what I did with it, or if I could go ahead and find it. So I'm going to go ahead and use the teachers. And I love this little thing, this little circle. I thought it would be really cute. Since I'm going to give them something that kind of looks like that, but not really. I'm facing in me because I need to be able to control how it's going to look. And I'm going to go ahead and look for my mat, if not order a new one. I'm going to get a parchment paper and I'm just going to heat press it. I'm going to go around in a circle as well. So if you don't have a mat, you can definitely use a bath towel, a beach towel, anything so you won't burn your table. You don't want to burn your table because it will get bubbly. Like the heat will make the table bubbly. That's why you have to use your mat. Okay, I'm going to lift that and see how that looks. Not bad. I'm going to let it air dry. Now, it would be easier if I had a mat because it kind of makes it like a little bumpy. So I'm going to leave that to the side. I'm going to double it up and see if that would help. So you need the mat, you guys. Or I'll just do it on the table. It's fine. If it leaves it bumpy, it'll leave it bumpy. But you need something like flat. The next one is going to be the other teacher. How cute is this? I did a little ribbon on hers. So I'm going to put it right there. Is this the side? Yes. Now, let me tell you, you need the mat. but I cannot find mine. Let me double check. It's fine. I'm gonna just use the table. If it lifts, you guys are gonna see how I'm telling you that it lifts. But I'm gonna put this underneath this. See if that'll help a little bit. So this already looks cute right there. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna put my parchment paper and I'm gonna press it in. But you guys need a mat. I feel bad I can't find mine. I'll leave the heat guide down below so you guys can check out the time, the press, if your press has to be firm, if it has to be light, and then the time it gives you as well. Take that off. Now we're gonna let that dry. And I'm gonna bring the other one. Now if it lifts, I'm gonna go ahead and press it again. It's dry to the touch, if it lifts. If it doesn't lift, then I'm okay with that. Now I'm gonna take it nice and slow. Oh, see, not bad, but it would have been twice as better with my mat. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna press it again. And that's it. I just want it to stay there. I'm gonna let that air dry. Now it's kind of bumpy because I did need the mat. Like, I'm not gonna lie. But look how pretty that is. So it came out pretty cute. These are gonna be gift bags for the teachers. I dropped something, but I'm not sure what. And that's it. So if you ever feel that it's lifting, all I want you to do is grab this, press it again, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Once you pressed it like that, you're setting it, and it's gonna stay just like that. And how cool is that? So let me go ahead and open this up. You want to remove your parchment paper as careful as you can. You're going to go ahead and open the bag, and you have a gift bag that is ready. How cute is this? It is gorgeous. With the teacher's last name or without it, whatever you want. You can just do the circle. You can put Happy Easter. You can put Merry Christmas. You can put to the teacher. Whatever you guys like is the way it's gonna set. I'm gonna grab the other one, and I'm also gonna go ahead. You need your mat. Let me tell you, I'm gonna go look for mine when I'm done. This didn't work out as well neither, because I do need the mat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it in again. I'm gonna try to use this again. I don't know, you guys, I feel bad. I can't find my mat and it won't stay on. Like, it won't stay on because of the mat. So what I'm gonna do right now is a firm press because I want it to stay on. And let's see if that will help. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. So I'm gonna let that dry. It's nice and hot. And then I'll pull it off. But you definitely need the mat. This one came out nice, but kind of bumpy just because I didn't have the mat. But it's pretty cute. Once the other one is cool to the touch, I'm gonna try to lift it. Now let's see what happens, you guys. See how it's not lifting there? I think all that has to do with the mat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it again and I'm gonna leave it alone. So I'm gonna pause this, and when it's ready, when it's nice and cold, I'll come back. Okay, so now it came out, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna press it in. Just so it won't go nowhere. And it's hard to do, let me tell you, without my mat. So I'm gonna look for it right now. I'm gonna lift it, and it's not gonna go anywhere now. How cute is this? So I made two adorable gift bags, and they're for the teachers. So one has Mr. Payne and then one has Miss McKibbing under. I really like this one, the bowl. So I will take pictures on it and then I will make a video once we fill it up so you guys can see all the goodies I put there. Trust me, you need your mat. Make sure you guys set it and then you're ready to give them out. So let me know what you guys think. I think they came out adorable. I am loving the bowl. And I know I'm going to make some soon. So I'm going to go ahead and look for my mat or buy me a new one. We'll see what happens. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye you guys.